Tarot of the day, the lightning strike. Keywords: sudden clarity, divine disruption, awakening, release, truth revealed. Message: today, the lightning strike card arrives not to harm, but to awaken. A moment of shock may shatter your illusions, but only to reveal the clear sky behind the tower. Something you've held on to may be taken from you, but trust, it was never truly aligned with your higher path. This is divine intervention, raw, radiant, and sometimes loud. Let it fall, let it burn. What rises will be you unshaken, reborn, and aligned. Ask yourself today, what truth have I avoided? What is life trying to liberate me from? Affirmation: I release what no longer serves me. I welcome the storm that clears the path.